captured. He's not.
He was captured?
Yes. But
What's the difference?
From your point of view, I can see it that you aren't there for him because he lost the election. But once you get in power with socialism, they never leave power.
I understand what you're saying, but as an American, like I don't care about your elections. If he won the election or not, that doesn't matter. Trump brought troops to your country, kidnapped your president. You say it's captured, whatever.
I don't know
those are synonyms.
what percentage are you, but to all the Venezuelans that you ask, they are so happy.
I know.
Because the freedom is just right there.
But my point is, it doesn't matter to Americans whether or not Venezuelans are happy.
Oh, not you are as an American. That's your point of view. But many other Americans, the quiet ones, they are happy. I grew up in the Venezuela, where Venezuela was the jewel of South America.
Okay.
Socialism took it. Excuse me. I'm talking.
Oh my God.
Are you Venezuelan? From where are you from?
I'm not American.
Okay, I'm not. Okay, yeah, I am American too. I'm Venezuelan. Okay.